Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Seat. We currently have a Seat Ibiza SE technology in stock. It's finished off in mystery blue. It's on an 18 plate and it's done just over 22,000 miles. Got these lovely 16-inch silver alloys on the car. 5-door model. You've got the 1 litre MPI engine inside with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Paintwork looks stunning on this car, especially in the sunlight. It's got a nice metallic pop to it. Got your Ibiza lettering on the back with your Seat logo, which also opens the boot. So this car's for sale here at Blackpool Seat. We're part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family-run group of dealerships. You'll find other Cox Motor Group owned sites across the northwest in areas such as Kendal, Lancaster, Southport, Wigan, and of course Blackpool. Got franchise dealers such as Seat, Honda, Mitsubishi and Volkswagen. And we've got our non-franchise side of things, which includes the Automarts. So you've got Blackpool Automart, Southport Automart, Lancaster Automart and Kendal Automart. For the Blackpool site, you've got us on the corner. Next door to us, you've got Blackpool Automarts. They're a multi-franchise dealership. They sell all different brands of cars. And then next door to them, you've got the UK's only superbike store, which is Honda Bikes. Over across the road, you've got a flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. And over in the distance, you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars do go through body shop prep prior to sale. They also go through a nice and extensive workshop check to make sure everything mechanical on the car is working as it should be. As part of them checks, your brakes and your tyres are also checked and replaced where necessary. For example, any tyres below 3 mm tread get replaced with fresh ones. And as part of the Seat approved program, you also get at least 9 months MOT and at least 9 months service, as well as 2 years used car warranty. Starting off at the rear of the car, got plenty of boot space in the back of these Ibizas. For such a small hatchback, you've also got seats at the rear that fold in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room if needed. Moving on to the rear interior, you've got a nice amount of leg room for any rear passengers, and you do also have ISOFIX mounting points in the rear for any child seats. Your interior is finished off in a 2-tone cloth, which is cloth black and cloth grey. You've also got some nice patterning down the centre of the seats as well. Moving on to the front interior, again you've got a cloth front interior, cloth grey with cloth black side bolsters. Stepping into the car, you'll find that 5-speed manual gearbox that I was on about earlier. Down to the left hand side of the gear stick, you've also got your child lock and you've also got your stop start technology, which you can turn on or off using this button just here. In the centre console tray, you've got USB power outlets. You've also got an aux power outlet just to the right hand side. Just above that, you've got your AC dials. And above your AC dials, you also have your touchscreen infotainment system. Going from left to right, you've got all your radio sources and Bluetooth hands-free audio. You've got your media sources. You've also got your driving data and your eco trainer, as well as your vehicle status. Down the middle, you've got satellite navigation. You've also got traffic updates with your sat nav. You've got your sound settings and you've got your infotainment settings on the last option. Moving on to the steering wheel and the speedometer. So you get a nice lovely multi-function steering wheel with this Seat Ibiza. On the left hand side, you've got all your media buttons. You've got a volume scroller and you've also got your voice activated control just on this button just here. So that allows you to speak to your infotainment system, give it a few commands rather than using the touchscreen, which is a bit safe to do so on the move. On the right hand side, you've got the buttons that control the trip computer located in between the speedometer. It's got a number of different ways to display. Driving data is the most popular one. You've got a digital speedometer and you've also got the range left in the tank. On the left hand side indicator stalk, you've got a cruise control and speed limiter. just on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, you've got your wiper settings, and on the speedometer, you've got a mileage confirmation just there of 21,922 miles. Down to the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got automatic headlights. You do also have electrically adjustable mirrors, and you've also got electrical windows for the front driver and passenger window. So that is the car. It's available here at Blackpool Seat. If you'd like to know any more information on this car or any finance options available on this car, please contact the sales team. They'll be more than happy to help. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope to hear from you soon.